As a professional photographer, I'm very familiar with using flashes of all sizes and shapes to make pictures. But I find myself wanting to do more and more flashless photography. This is one of the areas that the Lumix GF2 really shines. The technology inside the camera as well as the lens allows me to use very low level light to make very high quality images. Now, I like to do some street photography of storefronts right at twilight. This allows me to blend the light that's in the sky with the light that's actually inside the stores. That means that there's a lot of exposure and autofocus and color decisions that need to be made. In fact, this is where I'm going to trust the camera to do most of those for me. So for this shot, I'm going to set my camera up in aperture priority mode. I'm going to use a medium ISO, and I'm just going to use the basic 14-42 lens to get shots that look like this. As it gets darker, we rely more on the low light technology that's inside the camera and the lens. Now sure, we can go to a higher ISO. We can also make some other camera adjustments if we want to, but I would rather rely on the automated and intelligent technology that's inside this camera system so that I can spend my energy on being creative. This is when I'm going to activate the IA button, or Intelligent Auto. It's going to allow me to turn on a bunch of intelligent automated functions all at the same time. Intelligent Auto ISO, intelligent contrast, even intelligent dynamic range, among others, will go to work for me so that I can get back to making really cool pictures under very low light conditions like these. As evening photography turns into night photography, I've got one more trick that I carry in my camera bag, and that is the faster, more high-performance lenses inside the Lumix line. When we go from that 14-42 zoom over to something like the 20 non-zoom lens, we pick up 5, almost 6 times the amount of light. Now that's going to help us not only with exposure and color, but autofocus. These faster lenses autofocus faster under very low light conditions. So I can use the camera settings, the intelligent auto, the camera lens combo technology, and not use a tripod to get really cool shots at night like this.